Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add image in the CapCut video. Which is you can add the image overlay. So go to media and then select first video. Go to add image in a video. You can select image you want to add. Just put on top click in the resize. Change one for the position. That's it. And add more. And just for regression. And add more. Just put on top. Alright. Can add more again. Put on top. But I'm just going to blend. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.